welcome to my channel. And here we have the building drawing for 2023 NECO exam, and this is the floor plan that is given, and we have all the information that we need to construct this video, this floor plan. Here on this page as specifications, as we are told there that the drawing on the next page shows the floor plan of a residential building. We are asked to study the specifications given and answer the questions that follow. So these are the specifications that are given, and then we have the floor plan here. So for us to construct this floor plan, so what we need is we need to make use of the thickness of the walls, then we need the doors, we need the windows, and those are the things that we need to work out this floor plan. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so we have the distance from here to here to be 3,600, from here to here is 2,100, from here to here is 2,100, and from here to here is 3,600. Also, we have some dimensions here and here, and then the cutting plane is around there. So we are going to work out this. We We draw the floor plan, and we fix the windows, we fix the doors. Then we go on and answer other questions. But let's look at something very important here, where we have that we should draw to scale 1:100. We have the given floor plan, the front elevation, and the section BB. And we are told here that all dimensions are millimeters, and we are to assume unspecified dimensions. Okay, so those are the things that we are to do, but we are not going to answer all the questions at once. So we are going to have a video for each of these. So, but we are starting with the floor plan first. So so we are going to do that right now. So what we need to do first is to draw the horizontal line. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line here. Okay, so I will draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line here. So we draw a horizontal line like this. Okay. So we draw a horizontal line, and then we are also going to draw a vertical line. So on this side, so here we draw a vertical line. Okay. Then, so we are going to take the distances. So 3,600 by 100 will give us 36. So we take 36 millimeters. This is 36 millimeters. So next is we have 2,100. That is 21. If we divide it by 100, so 21. So next is another 2,100. So that is 21 millimeters. 21 millimeters, so this is 21 millimeters here. Then the next one is 3,600, so that is 36 millimeters. So here we have 36 millimeters here, like this. Okay, so we have that. So next one, so let's take the distance here on the vertical. So the first one that we have from here is 3,600, so that is 36 millimeters. So this is 36 millimeters here. Okay, so followed by 2,400, that is 24 millimeters. 24 millimeters. So this is 24 millimeters. So here we have 24 millimeters. Okay, so next is 3,600, that is 36 millimeters. So here we have 36 millimeters. Okay, so we have this. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is that I'm going to draw a horizontal line from this point forward. Okay, alright, so so I will draw a vertical line here. Here I will draw a vertical line. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do Okay, so looking at what we have on this side here, so I will also okay, so I can draw a vertical line from here down, a vertical line from here down like this. Okay, then I'm going to draw a vertical line from this point where we have 36. So here I will draw a vertical line. So I'm looking at what we have in the floor plan. Okay, so then another thing that we are going to do here is that, so where we have this so where we have this 36 here, so we are going to draw horizontal line. So here we draw horizontal line here. So we have some parts of the floor plan that we need to take their dimensions. So alright, so let's look at it. So let's look at it. So here on this side here, so this is 36 from here to here. That's why we drew this line, because we have taken 36 from here to here already. So then we need to get this part here. So from here to here, this is 1,200, and this is also 1,200. So we have already taken 24 from here to here. So I can draw this 24 now. I can draw the horizontal line, and then I will divide this part into two. So this is what I'm saying. So if I draw horizontal line, so from here, so I draw horizontal line from here now. Okay, so this 24, so I will divide it into two. So that is 12 millimeters each. So this is 12 millimeters. Then I'm going to draw horizontal line here. So I'm done with that. Okay, so then let's look at the next one that we need to do here. The next thing that we need to do. Okay, so alright, so coming to the front here, so we have the distance from here to here is 1,200. So we need to get this wall here. We need to get this wall. So we need to get this wall out, and then okay, so let's get that out, and then I will also need to come here. So for us to get this wall here, so I will need to take a measurement of 900. So that is 9 millimeters. Then also for this wall that we have, for us to get this wall, so we need to take a measurement of 1,800 from this one up. So for us to get this wall, so we need to do that. So so let's start with this one. So this one we have 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters here. So I'm going to draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line here. Okay, then this one that we have here is we take 9 millimeters. We take 9 millimeters. So here, that's 9 millimeters. So here we draw horizontal line. Okay, so then coming here, so I will take 18 millimeters. So 18 millimeters from here. So this is 18 millimeters here. And here I will draw horizontal line to this side. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line. So for this, so we have the vertical line here. Alright, so we have brought that out. So and then let's look at the next thing that we have to put here. Okay, so we have done that. So I think virtually okay, so we also have this part here. We also have this, and the distance from here to here is also 9. It's also 9. So we have to transfer this 9 to this side here. So let's do that. So we have that within this part. So this is where we have it. So I need to draw a horizontal line here. Okay, so that 9 has been transferred. So looking at what we have here, so we have gotten everything in place. Okay, we still have one. So we still have one here. So this is it. So here they said that from here to here is 2,700 for us to get this part. So let's create that out. So we are going to take 27 millimeters. So 27 millimeters from here. So this is 27 millimeters. Okay, so then I'm going to draw a vertical line. I'm going to draw a vertical line here. Alright, so that's it. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so we have put everything in place. The next thing that we are going to do is to bring out the thickness of the wall. Bring out the thickness of the wall. So let's go for that. That is the next thing that you want to do. Alright, so for us to draw the thickness of the walls, so we come to the wall here in this given specifications, and here we have that all walls 225 thick sandcrete hollow block with 12 mortar rendering on both sides. So we add 12 to 225, and that's going to give us 237. Then we divide 237 by 100, which is the given scale, and that will give us 2.37. So we take the thickness as 2 millimeters. That's what we are going to do. The thickness as 2 millimeters. So let's do the thickness of the wall. So we take 2 millimeters here. So this is 2 millimeters down here. Okay, so coming up here we also take 2 millimeters. So do not forget that all these lines, they are external part of the wall, so we cannot take this outside, so we have to take it inside the building. Okay, so that is what I'm doing here. So here we are going to join this together, okay, to obtain the thickness of this wall. Okay, so that's it. So then, so for this one, so let's take it in here. So for this one, I can take it to this side or to this side, but I want to take it to this side of the building. So so we have 2 millimeters here. Coming up here, we also take 2 millimeters. So we are joining this together. Alright, so we have that. For this one, I want to take it here. So 2 millimeters. So we have 2 millimeters here. And coming up here, we also have 2 millimeters. And we join this together. Alright, so we are done with that. So then here also, so we also have this. So coming up here, so we also take 2 millimeters onward. So then we join this together. Alright, so we have that. So I'm going to pause the video and do the rest. So I've done 4, so just continue and do that. So for this one, I will take it in here, and this one I will take it in here. So for this one, I can take it to either of the two sides, but I will take it in here. So that's what I will do. Okay, and then you need to look at the how the doors are positioned. So very important, so that you can be able to fix the windows as they are given in the given plan. So I'll pause the video and do the rest. Then when I'm done, you will see what I've done. Right, I've taken the walls, as you can see here. Now let's go and fix the windows. So let's go and fix the windows. So we go to the specifications for the windows. So here we have W1, and we are told that all aluminum sliding. So we have W1. So W1 is 1200 by 1200, and W2 is 600 by 600. So let's look at where we have all these windows. So we have W1 here, W2, W1, W1. Then here we have W1, and here we also have W1 here, W1, W2, W2 in the toilet and bath. Then we have W1 here, W1, W2 here, and W1 here. So I'm going to fix the windows as we are given here. So I believe you have seen how the windows were positioned in the floor plan. So we go on and we fix the windows. So we have W1. So the we have that to be 1200 by 1200. So you just try as much as possible to centralize it. That is 12 millimeters. If you divide it by 100, 12 millimeters we divide by 100. Okay. So all right. So 12 millimeters. So here we have 12 millimeters from here to here. So we fix this one. Then we have W2. What we have here is W2. So that is 600 by 600. So that is 6 millimeters. If you divide it by 100, so try to centralize it. So this is 6 millimeters here. Okay. So then here we have W1. That is 12 millimeters. So I take 12 millimeters. So from here to here is 12 millimeters. So I'm going to draw this. Okay. All right. So then so I'm just going to draw a single or double line here like this. Okay. Then so I draw another one. Alright, so we have fixed those two windows. So this is how to fix the windows. So I will go on and fix the rest while I pause the videos. The video. So when I'm done, you will see how I fixed it. Alright, we have fixed the windows. So now let's go and fix the doors. So we come to the door in the specifications as we are given here. So here we have 4 different doors. So we have W1 1200 by 2100. We have D1. So we have D1 1200 by 2100. D2 is 900 by 2100, and D3 900 by 2100, and D4 750 by 2100. This one is timber flush. This one is metal, this one is timber flush, and this one is metal door. Okay, so D1. So we have D1 here at the entrance. So here is the veranda. So we have D1 here at the entrance, and then so here we have what? Here we have D4. This is D2. This is D2, D4, D3. So this is D3. So here we have D2, D4, and then here we have D2, D4. So we fix one. We fix just 2. Then we go on and we do it on our own while I pause the video. So let's fix that of D1, as we are given the width of that is 12 millimeters, and they are double doors. They are double doors. Okay. So 1200 is the width. So we just leave a little space. So around here. So okay. So from here. Okay. So I'm going to take 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters here. So 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters. Then I'm going to break it into 2. That is 6 millimeters each. So we make this a thick line. Okay. So also make this a thick line. Then so that's 6. So I will take it. So out here. Then going to do my own. I'm not going to make it a curved one, so that takes time. So if you do like this, so you will not be penalized. So don't think you'll be penalized if you don't make it a curved one as it is shown in the floor plan. Alright, so it's what we've done here. So I can make the line from here to here, a thick line, and also this, a thick line. Also make this a thick line, and make this a thick line from here to here. And we also make this a thick line, and then this a thick line. Alright, so we are done with that part. So another door that we have here is so let's fix the one that we have here. So we have one here. Okay, so so that is D2, and according to what we have here, D2 is 900. So looking at what we have here, so okay, so this is 9. So we are just going to draw a line, so like this here. So then, so we take 9 millimeters. So from this point we have 9 millimeters here. So we are fixing it together with this wall. So we are fixing it together with this wall. So we have this. Then we join this together. That's it. Okay, so we have fixed that. So we have fixed that window. So another one that we have here, we have D4. So D4 here, and that is 750. So so fix it together. So that's 7.5. So 7.5 millimeters. Okay, so I just move away a little bit, and then here we have what? Here we have, so I just make it 80 millimeters. So here we have what we have. So we take 80 millimeters from here to this side. So 8 millimeters, this is 8 millimeters here. So we draw this line. Okay. So according to what is shown here, so this is even easy for you to know where you are to open the door to. So so here we have this line. Okay, so then I'm going to so this is 8 millimeters, so I'll connect it together with this. So we have fixed that door there. Okay, so this wall now, so I need to make it a thick line. Then we make this a thick line. Okay, so and then alright, so then so this wall here, so I make it a thick line. Then make this also a thick line. Okay, so these ones that we have produced the windows, where we have fixed the windows, we make this a thick line, and this one from here to here is a thick line, and then we also make this a thick line. So make this a thick line. Okay. Alright, so I will go on and fix other doors. So while I pause the videos, I'll fix this one, I'll fix this and this, then I'll fix the rest while I pause the videos, and when I'm done, when I'm done, I will show you what we have done. Alright, I've fixed all the doors as you can see it here, or see them here. And the next thing that we are going to do is that we have beams here. So here we have a beam, and then we have a beam here, and then there's a column here too. Okay, then we also have a beam here, we have a beam here. Okay, so we need to fix those beams. We have one here, so we have one, two, the vertical beams, we have one, two. Then here we have one, two, three, four. So they are okay. So we need to fix the beam. So let's start with that. So for the beam that we have here, so it goes from we have it around here. So we draw the beam with short dashes line. So as I'm doing it here. So then we also make this with short dashes line. Alright, so that's fixed, and then we also have another one here, so like this. So we also draw it with short dashes line. Okay, so we also do this. Alright, so we have fixed that. So then we also have another one. So we have the horizontal one, we have one here. Okay. Then there is one here. Alright, so we have what we have this. So then so we also have one here. So here in the dining, so we have a beam here. And okay, so then here we have a column here at the veranda. So we have a column here. So the column is positioned. So we have to divide this distance into 2. So this 42. So we divide into 2. It is placed in the middle of. So this is what 42. So that's 21. So here we have 21. So then for the beam, okay, so the specification for the beam is not given, but I know that should be what that should be. So it will be in a square form. So we can just take. So let's take. So since this is 2 millimeters, so we take 1 millimeter. So to this side. Okay. So we also take 1 millimeter to this side, so that can be in a square form. So we have it here like this. Okay. Alright, so this is it. Okay, so then we have a beam. So we have a beam. Then alright, so we have fixed the beam. So other thing that we need to do here is to make this wall. So this wall would be, so make this a thick line. So from here down, and then so this is a thick line. Okay, so also this, so we make this a thick line. Alright, so we are done with that. So the next that we need to do is to label the each compartment. So I'm going to do that while I pause the video. Alright, another thing that we have to do here is to put the eaves projection. As we are given the eaves are 600, so what we need to do is that we are going to draw horizontal line here. So we extend this horizontal line to this to the left and also to the right like this. So then so up here we also do the same thing. So we extend this horizontal line to left and right. Then for the vertical line, so we are going to extend this vertical line. So we need to put the east projection. Very, very important. It's part of what will be marked, or the award mark 2. Alright, so then we take 6 millimeters. So here, so this is 6 millimeters. Okay, then so here also we take 6 millimeters. Then here we take 6 millimeters. Then we take 6 millimeters here too. Then so here we are going to draw so this as a vertical line. Okay, so we also draw this as a vertical line. Then so here we draw horizontal line. Okay, then here we draw horizontal line. Then so we now so do this as short dashes line. Alright, so then here we do the same thing. Okay, so then we also do the same thing here as short dashes line. Then also, so we do the same thing. Alright, so then the next thing that we're going to do is that we need to write floor plan here. Alright, so I've written floor plan here. So this is how the plan will look. So as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. And here also I fixed everything. We did the thickness of the walls. We fixed the windows. We fixed the doors. And then we do the labeling. And we do also draw the east projection. So thank you and God bless you.